I start by mixing 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt and 150 grams of cold butter cut into cubes. I mix it until it becomes a coarse crumb. Now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of cold water little by little. I might not even need all of it. Don't overmix, it should be rough for a crispier dough, like this. I wrap it up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepare the filling by sautéing 3 leek stalks in olive oil on medium heat until soft. I beat 4 eggs like making an omelette. I add 400 ml heavy cream. Half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and the leek that I sautéed. I season with salt, black pepper, oregano, and nutmeg. Now I'm going to roll out the dough and line the pans. If you want to make it in a single pan, it needs to be 24 centimeters in diameter, or you can choose different pans combinations between them, however you prefer. A trick to prevent bubbles from forming at the bottom of the dough when baking is to line it with parchment paper and put some beans on top. Now, I'm going to pre-bake the dough. My oven is preheated to 200 degrees and I'll leave it there for about 20 to 25 minutes. We remove the beans and the parchment paper. These beans can't be eaten as regular beans, but you can keep using them for other pies. I spread the filling on the crust and baked it for 30 to 40 minutes or until golden.